In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a calendar in Monday.com so you can visualize your tasks, projects, and deadlines in a clear and organized way. Whether you're managing content, tracking client work, or planning team projects, the calendar view in Monday.com makes it much easier to see what's coming up and stay on schedule. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your board to customizing and sharing your calendar. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the board that you want to visualize in a calendar format. If you don't already have a board set up, you can quickly create a new one by clicking on Add and choosing New Board. Give it a name that matches your project, and choose whether it's private, shareable, or public, depending on your needs. Once your board is open, you're ready for the next step. Before you can create a calendar view, you need to make sure your board has at least one date column. The calendar relies on date data to display items properly. Look across your columns and check if you already have a date column, often labeled something like Due Date or Event Date. If you don't see one, click on the plus sign at the far right of your columns and select Add Column. From the column types, choose Date. Then rename it to something that makes sense for your workflow, such as Deadline, Launch Date, or Meeting Date. Now enter dates for your existing items so they can appear on the calendar. Once your date column is ready, go to the top left area of your board where you see the current view name, usually Main Table. Click on the plus button that says Add View. A panel will open showing different view options. From this list, select Calendar. Monday.com will instantly generate a calendar view based on your date column. After adding the calendar view, you'll need to configure it. If you have multiple date columns, Monday.com will ask you which one you want to use for the calendar. Select the correct date column that should drive your schedule. You can also customize the view further by applying filters. For example, you can filter by status to only show tasks that are marked as in progress, or filter by a specific team member to see only their assignments. You can also group items depending on your board structure. At the top of the calendar, you can switch between month, week, and day views. The month view gives you a high-level overview of everything coming up. The week and day views are more detailed and helpful when you need to focus on specific timeframes. Choose the layout that works best for your planning style. Now let's talk about interacting with your calendar. One of the most powerful features is drag and drop. If a deadline changes, simply click on the item and drag it to a new date. The date column will automatically update in your board. You can also click on any item directly from the calendar to open its full details, update statuses, assign team members, add notes, or upload files. If you need to create a new task, you can often click directly on a date within the calendar and add a new item from there, making project planning much faster. Finally, you can share and collaborate using the calendar view. Since it's part of your board, anyone with access to the board can access the calendar. You can also use automations to trigger notifications when dates change, when deadlines arrive, or when tasks are overdue. This helps your entire team stay aligned and informed without constant manual updates. And that's it. You now know how to create and customize a calendar in Monday.com to better manage your projects and deadlines. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Monday.com guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.